In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix error_address_unreachable in Google Chrome. This error usually means Chrome can't reach the address you're trying to load, and it's often caused by temporary network hiccups or stale data in the browser. We'll walk through a simple, reliable sequence that resolves most cases without diving into advanced settings. Start with the basics. Give your network a quick reset by power cycling your router and modem, and restarting your computer. Turn off the router and modem, wait about 15 to 30 seconds so they fully power down, then turn them back on and let the lights stabilize. After that, restart your computer. This clears short-term glitches and refreshes your connection from end to end. Next, restart Chrome itself. Close every Chrome window and make sure it's fully quit, then relaunch it. This step ensures any temporary Chrome process isn't holding on to a bad connection state. If the error persists, try opening the same website in another browser like Firefox or Edge. If the site loads elsewhere, that's a strong sign the issue is specific to Chrome and we'll keep our focus there. Also verify the website isn't down for everyone. Try visiting a different, well-known site to confirm your connection is working, and consider checking the site's status using a reliable online status page or the service's official channels. If only one site is failing and it's having an outage, waiting it out is the only fix. Now let's clear Chrome's DNS cache, which can resolve stale or incorrect address lookups. In the Chrome address bar, type chrome//netinternals/#DNS and press enter. On that page, click Clear Host Cache. When that's done, close Chrome completely and reopen it. This forces Chrome to forget outdated address mappings and request fresh ones. Finally, clear the browser's cached files. In Chrome, go to Settings, then Privacy and Security, and choose Clear Browsing Data. Set the time range to all time, and check cached images and files. You can leave other items unchecked if you don't want to sign out of sites. Click Clear Data, then try loading the website again. Clearing the cache removes corrupted or outdated files that can block proper page loading without affecting your saved passwords when you only select cached images and files. That's it. By restarting your devices, relaunching Chrome, confirming the site's status, clearing Chrome's DNS cache, and removing cached files, you'll resolve error_address_unreachable in most situations. If the site was down, give it time and try again later. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you get back online quickly.